If you are ready to turn your dreams into reality and achieve your biggest goals, then you are in the right place. Today, we are going to dive deep into the art of goal setting. Make it practical, easy, and fun, so you can write goals that stick. Your support and engagement mean the world to me, and I'm so grateful to have you here. Step 1. Reflect on your achievements. Let's start by celebrating your wins. Write down 5 things that you already accomplished that you are proud of. It could be anything from completing a marathon to having your own business. All the exercises will be broken down into a free template attached to this video, so don't worry, you will have the entire process and examples that guide you through. Next step, let's assess your satisfaction level on 5 key areas of your life. Health, that involves rating your physical, emotional, intellectual, social, and spiritual well-being on a scale from 1 to 10. Be honest with yourself and explain why you gave each area the score you did. Second is finances. Evaluate your income, spending, savings, investing, and financial protection. Again, give each area a score and explain why. Business and career. Assess your business skills, persuasion, presentation, and communication abilities. How satisfied are you with your current level of expertise in these areas? Fourth is personal development. Reflect on your journey of personal growth and development. Are you actively pursuing opportunities to become the best version of yourself? Then, relationships. Consider the quality of your friendships with friends, family, or romantic partners. How fulfilled do you feel in these areas of your life? Next step is get clear on your vision. Now that you have reflected and self-evaluated, you need to know what are you aiming for. Take some time to visualize your ideal life. What do you want to achieve? Where do you want to be in 1 year, 3 years, 5 years from now? Continue writing down your vision for the future. Be as specific in detail as possible. The clearer you are on your visions, the easier it will be to set goals that align with it. Next step, I call this one golden list. Now it's time to dream big. Write down at least 5 items or goals that you want to accomplish in the next 10 years. Think about the experiences you want to have, the places you want to visit, the people you want to meet, and the skills you want to learn. For example, I want to buy a $1 million home. The step number 4, build your realistic but ambitious timeline. Once you finish your list, I want you to look each item and goal and say, I think that will take about 1 year. Another item, I think it will take about 3 years. Estimate how long you think it will take to achieve it, whether it's 1, 3, 5, or 10 years. For example, I buy $1 million home and I add next to it 3 years. Next, identify the 5 most important 1-year goals that you want to achieve. What's got you turned on? That's a good list to make. Here's what got me turned on. Here's what got me up early, staying up late, and maximizing my abilities all day long. I'm telling you, if you really stay consistent during this process, I promise you, your whole life will change. Once you have identified your top 5 goals, turn them into SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will help you to stay focused, motivated as you work towards achieving them. Then you need to understand the consequences of inaction. Let's get real. Think about what will happen if you don't take action on these goals. What is the cost in terms of time, money, reputation, energy, and mental health of not pursuing your dreams? Make it tangible and let it motivate you to take action. For example, I buy a $1 million home, right? If I don't achieve this, what will happen? If I don't achieve it, I will be disappointing my wife, my parents, all the time working until late. It will be completely a waste of time. I promised to my wife and kids, and now I would have to continue living in a small apartment or in the same neighborhood. You got it. Now you need to connect with your why. Why these goals are important to you. What do you hope to achieve by accomplishing them? How will your life be different? Like my mentor James Brown said, when the why gets stronger, the how gets easier. When it gets big, powerful, and strong. Here's when your purpose statement comes into play. If you haven't seen that video, click around here or check after this video so you can have the template and learn how to do it. So now jot this down. Purpose is stronger than object. the object will be the house, and what that will pull. That's a worthy goal to go for the object of the house. But here's a stronger goal, the purpose for the $1 million home. You say, well, it will be a centerpiece of all the family activities with all kinds of unique people coming and going, and the things will be happening on this place. See, now we are getting somewhere. That's why one of the best things is purpose is stronger than object. It's okay to have plenty of objects to go for on your goal list, but always keep asking yourself the question, why? What for? So right, here's why I want this money, this home, here's why I want this place, here's why I want to go here, and start developing those reasons. I'm telling you, now that this starts to become incredibly powerful, here's some more. Know that some of your goals should be personal development. The person you wish to become should be developing skills that make me more attractive in the marketplace. Develop the temperament and attitude that make me attractive in the business, the attitude and temperament that make you a splendid father, because here's what is important. It's not what you get what makes you valuable, it's what you become that makes you valuable. Here's the next exercise. I want you to look now the whole template that you have written and the exercise you have done, and I want you to answer this question. What kind of person must I become to achieve all I want? Now you have got two things working. What you become helps you to achieve, and what you achieve helps you to become. And the more you become, the more you can achieve, and the more you achieve, the more you can become. Who knows which affects each other the most? Maybe you need to become much wiser than you are at the moment. You need to become stronger, you need to have a better health. So you said, I am going to have some coaching here, spiritual coaching here, I need to develop in this area, these skills I need to influence these people, then this I need to build to have an incredible reputation. The key is to take it out of your head and put it on paper. By setting clear goals, taking action, and staying connected to your why or purpose, you can turn your dreams into reality. This is real science explained in detail. I wish I had this when I was completely lost. That's why I'm doing this video. Now, if you're ready to take your goal journey to the next level, check out this video where I share one of the secrets of high achievers that always stay consistent and track their progress. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep striving, keep growing, keep connecting, and above all, keep sharing your light. Take care.